Years ago, he told me it was a crack.
Yeah, but a crack ain't gonna make a line stop up. It might be offset.
Yeah.
Okay, we're at Steeplechase Apartments in Alvin, Building 2. I'm with Adrian, the maintenance man. He said it backs up about every 3 or 4 days. He's already cut the vents and stuff behind the toilets to stop it. We're running the camera from the high side clean out because it's the closest to the problem. Dude, look at that. We got a big wad of what looks to be whites. What kind of machine you got?
The standard, you know.
Is it the big machine?
The 3/4.
Okay, here's what I'm gonna do. It's gonna cost a little bit of money, but I'm gonna run my jet through here first. I gotta get a good visual.
All right, that's good.
And what's on the head of your machine?
It's got the little one like this, like an angle, like
a little spearhead. Oh, a blade.
It looks like this. It looks like that.
Okay.
That's a small one. The small one.
Well,
I don't put the other big one.
Okay. Well, we gotta open this up.
Yeah, that's good. Right?
Normally it's a 2 hour for the jet. I'm only gonna charge an hour.
That's good. No problem. Just
Mr. Martinez knows me.
We need to find the problem, you know.
Oh yeah. They know me.
Yes, sir.
But we gotta clear that out, baby. Let me go past it first, just to see. Yeah, look at all this. Look at.
Yeah, it's bad.
Look at all this.
Yes, sir.
A lot of grease. I don't even think my camera's gonna go through it. Yeah, see, the camera won't even go through it.
Hit sometimes.
Fucking these guys don't clean this shit, man. It's all full of grease. God damn. That's why most people wear gloves.
Yeah.
Excuse me? Microphone's still on. All right, what we're gonna do, Adrian's right here. He gave me the approval to go ahead and run the jet through here. We gotta open this up. We gotta see what's going on. It may be just a case of a big buildup right here. We'll see. We're gonna rerun the camera. Hey,
what's
do
up?
they have kids?
Huh?
They got kids in there?
Oh, upstairs.
Kids upstairs?
I saw the guys, the people start put a lot of paper, you know, and that's why I make a lot of damage right now.
Yeah.
But before months ago, we never had that. I think the first problem was about 7 months ago.
Yes. Oh man. Got
It's the poo-poo. How about you give it to me?
I'm gonna pause this for right now while we run the jet. Okay. We just ran the jet through, and about 5 feet in, we had this big wad of paper product mixed in with wipies, all kinds of things. I got nothing. That pipe's good, Bubba. Let me ask you this. Is there a unit here and a unit here? Well, I got this. Well, we want to check both toilets. Make sure they're flushing good. Okay? Let's make sure they got a good boost through there. Because what it looks to me like is, yeah, everything's coming in and just sitting right here. But I got no.
The problem is when I close the building, it's flush by 1 or 2 days, then it's gonna start the same shit.
Well, let's go.
That right there.
Yeah.
Let's go.
When they both tie in and hit it, it's gonna pile up in that little hole you did.
All right, I just ran the camera through. It is black ABS. You saw what I saw. I've got the double combo coming in, 4-inch on the main. We're going to check both units right here at the end of the building. Make sure the toilet's got a good flush. See what's going on with the toilets. I'll be right back. We went into both end units, and they've got the Niagara center punch toilets. I had Adrian right here with me. I flushed the toilets, and I'm not even flushing a quart of water. Even holding the button down, it's still leaving a gallon of water in the tank. So what's happening is, everything's coming in that line and just kind of sitting right at that double combo. Pipe, good looking pipe, good looking pipe, good looking pipe, good looking pipe.
Clean as a whistle.
There's another double combo coming in.
Not even offset.
Yeah.
Belly.
Nothing. That's why when you're running your machine, it's going in, and you got these right here. So when you run your machine in, it's whipping, and it's hitting the.
Bring only the whole, but never.
Yeah, but you're feeling those double combos with your machine. Sometimes you go in and tink, tink, you're hitting those double combos. But this pipe is shit. 30 feet in. This will be on. I turn this into my office. It'll be on YouTube. So if anybody wants to view it, but man, it's a good looking pipe, Bubba. Got a slight little belly there. That ain't enough to stop it. Shit, my camera's flying through. Another one. It's looking good, babe. Another one coming in from this side.
To the main.
Yeah. Boom. Down in the main. Good. Going back. Down to the main. Good looking pipe. Little bit of grease line right there. That's nothing. Double combo. See, nowadays, we don't do that anymore. We don't do the double combos in. We offset.
Single. I mean, separate.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do one here and then do one here.
But still, if the toilets are only flushing a quart of water,
I hate those toilets.
I hate them.
They suck. Trash.
They will check the 790. All people place.
Yeah. Then
Hey, you guys get a flooding problem here too. The parking lot don't drain either, right?
Yeah, we don't have any problems. I know in the center of the property, the drains they're not clear.
Good looking pipe, brother. Good looking pipe. Coming back. Coming back. Double. It's the left side coming in. Bam! There's clear. Keep clear. Now, you saw it. If it does it again in the next couple of days,
They're gonna change the toilet or what? replace it?
I would.
I would.
That's only him, man. We don't have any complaints on that.
Yeah.
It's only him.
Probably because he's having trouble trying to get it all the way down that line. He's way over here.
And like I said, you got upstairs dumping a bunch of stuff.
Yeah.
Besides Nick from inside.